Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to start a new series where we talk about Tkinter in Python. So it helps us to create graphical user interface applications. So all of my playlist is going to be like more of a practical first approach. So here also I'm going to first show you how Tkinter will work. So we need to import Tkinter. I'm going to import it as tk. Then we need to have a root. So tk dot, now it's capital T K. Then so since this is our first try and first application, so I'm going to just run the main loop here, and now let's run this application. So Python main loop here, so you can see a window get popped up, and that is the basic graphical user interface. So that means Tkinter is working in our machine, and now we can try to improve this. So I think for the first video this is enough. So now we know Tkinter is working in our machine properly, and we can discuss more things in the later videos as well. So please subscribe to my channel, and you can click on the notify button as well, so when I release the next video you will get notified right away. So that's it for this video guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.